How to turn off dial pad sound on iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry. This video is right for you, as we have brought some simple tips and tricks on how you can fix it easily. But firstly, all you have to do is go and tap on your settings. Scroll down on your screen and tap on the option called Sounds and Haptics. Once you tap on it, it will now take you to new options where you have to lower down the voice of ringtone and alerts and turn it into silent mode. Once you do it, the dial pad sound will automatically be removed. You can also lower your volume button to make sure that your dial pad sound is not on. When you do it, it will automatically be set, and you can do it continuously. Again, you can go back to your sounds and haptics and check if you're missing out something that you should do. And you can also easily modify on your desired option. In this way, you can easily turn off dial pad sound on your iPhone.
If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.